How's it going? I'm Tobin, episode 19 in my razor review series, the Echolly synthetic shaving brush. I purchased this on Amazon back in February of this year for $6.52. I'm not an Amazon affiliate, and I will not profit from the sale of this brush. I've purchased 8, 10, 12 different synthetic brushes over the past couple of years from Amazon, mostly out of curiosity and with the purpose of finding good ones to review. So far, I've reviewed the lather and wood. This one is a little better in terms of softness. We're going to follow the same format that we've done in the previous 18 videos. The diameter of the knot, diameter we're measuring it around, is 22 millimeters. On the smaller side, but definitely not the smallest ever. This is a great travel brush, a great brush for a very first brush. This is a brush that I've already recommended to a lot of new wet shavers and that I will continue to recommend. The loft, that's when we measure how long the fibers are coming up out of the handle, is 53. So you have 22 around and 53 up and down for height. First, we'll take a look at the softness of the tips. That's just the tips, just the very tip, with 5 being average, 10 being the softest synthetic that I've ever experienced. I'm giving this an 8. It is extremely soft. If you paint, you're going to get one of the softest experiences that you've ever had. Face feel. What I'm talking about with face feel is when we splay, when we spread the brush open. So when we splay it open like this, pull them apart, and you get it on the face and you're doing this kind of thing. Sometimes with brushes, the face feel, when you splay it, isn't quite as soft. Sometimes they're a lot less soft to where they actually start feeling more like plastic, because that's all a synthetic fiber really is plastic. Sometimes it feels like you're just rubbing plastic on your face, like the old nylon brushes. I have a few of those. This one stays pretty damn soft though, to where I'm going to give it a 7, with 5 being average and 10 again being the softest ever. So soft tips, 8, face feel, a 7. Next, backbone. Just measuring the structural strength, how much pressure it takes to get this thing to splay. So for backbone, it's pretty damn average. I'm going to give it a 5 for backbone. Ease of splay, measuring how much like pushback it gives me when I actually get it splayed, like how springy it is. So we're still measuring backbone. Ease of splay, I've given it an 8. There's a good amount of pushback to it. So 10 would be like the most pushback I've ever experienced. 5 would be average. So 8, we're staying pretty good here on the springiness of these fibers. Flow through, how easily the soap and water flow through the fibers with a shaving brush. If you don't have good flow, you're not going to get the soap to release onto the face. 5 being average, 10 being just flows through it with no problems at all. Giving it an 8. So the flow through is better than most synthetics, better than the average synthetic. Retention, and again, we're just measuring how well it holds on to it. So flow through, we're measuring how willing the fibers are of releasing it. Retention is another way of measuring that same thing. And so with it, it's in the same ballpark. So with that, I'm going to give it, I wanted to say 7, because in some ways, when I fling it like this, it's a little messy. Taking a look at value, $6.52. That is the current price on Amazon right now, and was the price 6 months ago when I purchased it in February. Again, I'm not going to profit from the sale of this brush at all, but when it comes to value, it is the one brush that I would recommend in a heartbeat to someone for a first brush, because $6.52 is nothing compared to some of the other brushes on the market. right now for me with it, it's also a 1-day ship. So if you're already a wet shaver and you want to take a brush with you that you don't have to worry too much about losing on a trip, you could order it today and it'd be there tomorrow. At the very most 2 days. But for me right now, where I live in Oregon, it's a 1-day ship, and that's exactly what it was when I purchased it back in February. That's fantastic. You're not waiting a week, 2 weeks, 6 weeks to get your brush. It's a day. I'm going to give this one a value of 10 for $6.52. I don't think that there's a better synthetic value out there. I really don't. Is it going to last forever? I don't know, but I don't see any reason why it won't. I haven't lost any fibers in the 6 months that I've been using it. I've used it a couple, half dozen times now at least. Yeah, a lot. I've used it more than that. It's a little big thanks, my friends. In the series, it's always about value. Softness, it's there. Super, super soft. If you're looking for a soft synthetic, you're going to get what you're looking for. It's got pretty average backbone, and it has good retention flow through for a synthetic. I really think that no matter who you are, a new wet shaver or someone looking for a cheap, inexpensive travel brush, that this is an amazing value at $6.52. You guys take care, and I'll see you next time.